Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro Mini 2 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store, and then you need to go to the search at the right bottom. Then, if you have iOS 26, click at the search line at the bottom. If you have previous version, click at the top. And write SHOKZ. Now search. And you need to install the application what's called SHOKZ. Now open it. Agree. Allow. Now select your region. And click yes. Right here you can log in into your account, create a new one, or just skip it by clicking the skip button at the right top. And I'm going to skip it. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!